Good morning, friends, and welcome to my channel and to the adventurer. Good morning, Sat Sri Akal, Namaste, and I would like to thank all of you all for supporting me and being a avid subscriber. And I would like you all to share my video, help me to reach my milestone and help me to gain more subscriber. And if you are for the first time over here, please do subscribe and support me. Thank you. Your subscription, it's free यार, फ्री है, कर लो, थोड़ी ना किसी का पैसा जाएगा. So it's free and just a click of a button from your would help me to reach out to many of you all. I would like to bring out good videos, content videos, but and this is Yogesh Warekar, our transport manager of our company, and look at his dashing entry. Well, Yogesh, the hero of our transport division and a very jolly good fellow, he always keeps everyone in high spirits. Welcome Yogesh, welcome to the channel. Thank you.
लेकिन उसने ऐसा एक ही पेज को कैप्चर करना चाहिए.
किसको?
तुमने किए?
This is Rajesh, our MT transport manager. Rajesh, say something about yourself. Introduce yourself.
अभी नहीं.
नहीं, introduce yourself.
थोड़ा सा प्रिपेयर होना पड़ेगा उसके.
Okay. Chalo Mahesh, say something about yourself.
क्या बोल सकते हैं?
है ना, वही थोड़ा सा प्रिपेयर होना पड़ेगा.
And anyway, this is Mahesh Kohli. My ex-colleague was working with me almost many years in IL. Now he's in Continental, and I have Brushali over here. And Brushali is our customer service manager, and she is handling the customer service department. Here you can see the customer service department.
Thanks for promoting me.
And I have Ganesh Thali over here. Ganesh Thali, remove your mask so that people should know who you are. Arey, remove your mask, I said. Okay, that is Ganesh Thali. And then we got Taimur Ali Khan, Saif Ali Khan's son. Look how big he has become. Just look at him. Just in 2 months, huh? Great. And this is चंदू के पापा ने चंदू से चटनी चटाई. अरे तो ऐसा कैसे जा सकते हैं? You are on camera. So this is Saili. Saili, come on. What you are doing? Have you had your food? See, if you can see, Saili today was supposed to bring biryani for me, but she didn't bring. And I'm hungry. And my wife didn't make for me food because she said Saili is going to bring for you. Why should I make? Acha. And then you can see Prachi over here. Hi Prachi. And you have your Jyoti. Hi Jyoti. How are you Jyoti? Great. So sweet of you. And then we have Sushant over here.
Hi.
And Sushant is a cricket player also and playing from our company. And then we got Anna, जो खाता है गन्ना, खिलाते सबको गन्ना, ऐसा बोलना. अरे कौन नहीं है यार, तू है और क्या पिक्चर में और क्या. And then I have Subodh over here. Subodh. There. So I am just zooming Subodh in. Hi Subodh. Okay, and then Gandhar. He is our option manager. Huh? Yes. And then I have Kamini over here. Kamini is also from our customer service team, and she is the senior most staff over here in customer. She and Brushali, I think you are both joined together, right? Yeah. So they are the most senior person in customer service team. Hi Darshana, and this is Darshana over here. And you can see Darshana, mask card. तुम्हारे वीडियो मध्ये असं कसं घेणार? And Darshana is our IT in charge for all our programs and for our software that we are handling over here. Darshana, turn your chair. This side, yes. Turn your chair. Turn your chair. Okay. Say something about yourself. Anyway, when you ask something, suddenly people don't tend to open up. But she is a IT in charge over here, taking care of all our IT solutions and for our troubleshooters. So she is a core team member over here. Okay, Darshana, bye bye. This is my senior, Mr. Manohar Achrekar.
Hi.
Hi Manohar, how are
Hi.
you?
Fine, fine.
Well, Manohar is a very veteran in shipping industry, and this is Anna, which I showed you before. He is also a liner person, and this John also is a liner person. And Manohar, who is the pillar of this CFS, and who is here from start now, almost start.
Yes, founder.
Yeah. He is a founder member of this CFS. So he is a very shy fellow, if you see, and he talks very less. And he talks very less, and we need to always, cajole him. Manohar, speak up. But as it is, he always speaks very less. A man of few words, an action of many. So Manohar, you would like to say something about your career when you started?
Hi, myself Manohar. I started my career in 1991 as a Doppler company called MB Agency Casina. In that I started as a supervisor, career as a supervisor in transport division. At least 10 years service path. From the supervisor to the manager to that organization. Then I changed the job to all cargo and taking care of all transport division. Around 150 vehicles were in that company, which I used to handle their complete operation, complete logistics I used to handle. At around after 2.5 hours, I left that job and joined a company called Continental Warehousing Navashiva Limited in CFS at JNPT. 2.5 years after I left that job and joined Continental Warehousing Navashiva Limited CFS. It's a different profile I used to handle. I used to this company has been a newly founded company. The turnaround around 2,000 to 300 tubes per month. Then slowly it's grown up, and here I enjoyed very much because I used to meet people of different fraternity, shipping division, market, shipping logistics, and all transport division. I got lots of knowledge from them. I used to get some, and still I am learning the process. Though at present I am in a situation, very different situation now. After the gap of 13 years, the company has been taken over by DP World Group. DP World Group, it's a brand MNC company, and I'm enjoying this at this company, and now I'm a Senior General Manager Operation. I'm enjoying my venture.
Wow, Manohar, that's very good and nice, and it's so nice to hear about your journey and to know how you started, how you grew, and it's really a pleasure to be with you. And let me all tell you, friends, Manohar is a very thorough gentleman, very down to earth, and it's really fun to work with him, and he's very considerate. The thing is, he's so patient minded and he's so cool minded that anyone comes to him with any kind of problems or issues, there is always a solution with him, and he calmly, coolly, he listens to all of them, and then he always sorts the issues for them. So it's a pleasure to have a colleague like him, and I started working with Continental here in 2015, 1st of August 2015. But from that time till now, I can say that I really enjoyed their company over here, especially Manohar's company over here, because all the staffs are very good over here, no doubt. Even you from Javed, I know him from Bombay Port, and I know Manohar from Bombay Port Trust times. and it's really fun to know them and to work with them. And we all grew in our industry together, and it's nice to see that Manohar has come a long way in his career, and he has really grown into a very lovely profile of his with various department that he has worked, and he has a vast knowledge in logistics. So Manohar, now let me tell you, with this new setup and all, how would you like to see your life in the next 5 years?
It should be organized now. So why it is organized? Because now previously we used to work in the family oriented business. Now the concept has been changed. It's a process.
It's totally a
So
feedback.
now my
Totally
life,
feedback.
I am also like to wish to plan my life now, further life in a planned way.
That's so nice. That's so nice. Well, Manohar, thank you.
And one minute.
Yeah.
Also, I am also glad that Anthony, who is having the vast knowledge of shipping. I know we used to work in Bombay port, how you used to handle the ships and all. But means there are few people to whom for me, they are the father figures.
Oh my God.
Yes, means you are my friend, but you do have a lot of knowledge, and
That's
it's
so sweet. Thank you, Manohar.
so that's what I want to say. And one more fellow, Mr. Dara Jalnawala,
Yes,
who
yes.
taught me from scratch to
We cannot forget him. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. He is a mentor for all of
Yes.
us over here, for many of us. Actually,
At this point, I have to take a yes.
and he knows how to get the work done, like he knows how to conduct people, a man of golden heart. Yeah, he would be acidic in his words, no doubt about it, but that's the life of Bombay Port Trust. In Bombay Port Trust, there was a saying, when I joined Bombay Port Trust, and I was very docile, and very naive, so people used to tell me, साहब आप अगर इनसे प्यार से बात करेगा आपका कभी सुनेगा नहीं, इनको आप गाली दो. But whereas in our family, we never used to abuse.
Yes.
Those were like
True.
abusing, even saying a word bloody used to get us slippers, or used to be beaten black and blue. So that was our culture. But coming into the shipping,
Yes. on that part, I used to handle when in the Kasinat, I transport, the transport people, how to deal the drivers and cleaners. Dara Sahab used to come me and उससे क्या बात किया? मैंने उसको बोला मैंने उधर जा, तो बोला से MCBC कर, वो तभी तेरा बात सुनेगा. Before that I never used to curse anyone.
exactly.
And nowadays, without curse, I can't speak also. That's a fact now. So it's a change which he had made. So
True. I really, yes, I want to say, we were like, taught to abuse. Because without that, the work would never happen. And I was a very shy person before coming into the shipping industry. But after coming into shipping industry and meeting all these stalwarts who
Yes.
used to teach
True,
us
true,
how to conduct
True, true.
yourself, I became an aggressive person to the core.
Yes.
And today I have become so aggressive that even when I normally talk, my voice is
everybody feels that you are aggressive. You are aggressive. Now, see, coming and all. Now the business is like not a profit margin. It's a benchmark now.
Exactly.
So it's a tough competition. Everybody has to survive. So
True.
work hard is important. To work hard is important.
Very true. Very
And where we are, we have to stay on that.
Very true. Right.
Okay.
Thank you, Manoj. Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you.
time. Thank you to share your experience.
Thank you
It's
very much,
really
Anthony.
fun to work with you.
Thank you. Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you.
So this is our CFS, the new yard, ERTGC yard
recently built a year ago by DP World. These are the RTGC brought from the terminal, and it runs on electricity and diesel both. It's a hybrid ARTGC. I think it's one of the same in Nhava Sheva. And you can see an aerial view. We have total 7 reach stackers and 2 ERTGC. You can see CFS fully packed, and that's the weighbridge work going on over there currently, and we are shifting our weighbridge from the old position to a new position for safety sake. And this is the Arabian Sea. We are just very close to the coast, and you can see the sea flowing behind with the mangroves. And this is an aerial view of our CFS. This is the LCL shed which you can see, and I am shooting from top. I am on the ARTGC operator cabin, and I am shooting this. You can see our CFS far and right, and at the end is the export shed number 3, and the start on the far end is the export shed number 1, and my staff below are curious looking at me. And as you can see, I am shooting from the operator's cabin, and this is the view from the operator's cabin. It's really very tiring job for the operators to look down, though they are sitting and they were bending down. It puts a pressure on their neck and their spine.
What I feel.
And this is top view of a yard. Now he's picking up a 50-feet tank of wood. As you can see, well, I was there for almost 15 minutes, but it was so active for me as well. So it was very risky for me to see, and the operators, they really do a fantastic job. And that was Yadav who was operating that. You can see the sea and the mangroves, and there you can see the JNPT port far away, and the new BMCT port also.
So I am here at the RTGC now, and I am seeing the operation of this RTGC. After a year I have climbed on this RTGC. It's really awesome. I have Yadav over here with me, and Vijay, our race technician, is here with me. And it's very beautiful to see from this top of the hill how the yard looks and how they work with so much challenges. It's really awesome. I have the sea flowing in front of me. You can see the sea over there flowing in front of me. It's just awesome. Beautiful. Okay, I have Darshan with me. Darshan is our maintenance engineering department guy, and he takes care of all our machines, our reach stackers, RTGs, RTGC, and he along with his team ensures that our operations are always kept up and running. So Darshan, can you tell something about you, how you started your career, and where were you before this?
Engineering department of CWC NSL with all my most best HODs I have in my whole career. And secondly, before that is I was in one of the fabrication company. I started my engineering career in fabrication company. Then later on, but still it was some kind of what you say, झिझक रहती है अपने को. I wanted to work in shipping line since I was in childhood. I have decided. So it was my dream company to work in DP World, and I started working in DP World as an officer in 2018, August 3, 2018 in DP World as a Nhava Sheva. And from there the journey started, and still I'm here. And I have been transferred to CWC NSL now in the engineering department, handling administration. And going on under the guidance of the best HODs I have, actually Anthony sir.
Why?
Shankar sir. Shankar sir is my boss. He is my reporting manager. And all other HODs are also my reporting managers because I don't believe in as like Anthony sir says, this is our CFS, right sir?
Exactly.
This is our CFS and we have to look everything.
So when we say it's our CFS, I mean when you're working together as a team, you have to work as a teamwork. It has to be a teamwork, and the support has to be all round from every department, from every person involved.
Right.
Because unless we don't have teamwork with us, then I don't think we'll be able to successfully do business and also be in the survival mode. Because being a competitive field, we need to have that edge to be the best.
Apart from engineering, when I'm at home, I still work for engineering. But apart from them, I'm an artist, I'm a photographer, I'm a social media editor, I'm a content writer, and I don't know else what I am, but still finding the roots.
Yes. Let me also tell that yes, Darshan actually is a very good photographer, and also he is a very good artist, because if you check up his channel, what's the channel name?
DN27 Arts on YouTube.
Pardon?
DN27 Arts.
Okay. So as you have heard his channel name, but I will put it in the description also, and as a running banner in the video which will describe his YouTube channel and Instagram channel both. Please visit him and support him, and also subscribe to his channel. He is a very good artist and a very good video content creator too. Thank you.